Now let's look at another example of using the DS and the EQU directives. Now we're going to find the factorial of a number. Now the number we're using here is the number 5, so 5 factorial is going to be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which will give us a number 120. Now the actual answer here is in hex, so the hex number for 120 is 78. Okay, so I'll go and bring out the program and I'll let you have a little look. So this is the factorial program here, and you can see at the very bottom we're going to have the result is going to be held in a memory location, and the memory location is given by the start address here, 0x8020. Now the number we're actually using to find the factorial in this instance is 5, but if you change this to any other number, it'll find the factorial for that particular number. So that's our program here. Now what we want to do is go through the assembly phase, so run, and that's it, work through the assembly phase. Now we can go in and have a look at the actual first pass, and this is the first pass here. So we can compare them side by side. This is the original code and this is the first pass of the assembly language, and you can see here that we have replaced all of the assembler directives, the labels and all of the jumps with the correct or the relevant values. Now that we have this here, we can load it up into the machine. So if we go into here, edit contents, and we can open the machine code file. Okay, so now we're in a position to run it. So I'll just let it run through itself and it'll run through pretty quickly. And you can see it's generating the values here, so it's 143C and 78 is the final answer. So if you check your hex calculator, 78 is actually the number 120. Now let's check in the memory and see that we have the answer in the correct position. So if we actually open it up here, and if you look in here, you'll see at position 20. So remember, this is actually 8020 has got the answer 78, which is just the value 120, which is 5 factorial. So remember, if you want to, you can go into the original program and just change this number here. So this is a constant value, and we can change it to whatever value we want to find the factorial. So that's another example of us using our assembler with the couple of directives that we've seen, the DS and the EQU, and also our labels and our jumps and some of the simple instructions that we have. So thank you for listening. I'll get you on the next video. Goodbye.